Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've done this shuttered look, which is probably the longest look I've ever done. This has taken me 5 hours and I'm so over it. But it's been a really cool look. The optical illusions is a really fun thing to do and really hard, to be honest. If you want to see how I did this look, just keep watching.
So to start, I am just tracing out with some black eyeshadow to begin with. You could just go straight in with some black body paint, but I just wanted to get the feel of what I was doing. This is a little bit out of my comfort zone, so that's where I started, and then I started adding in the black body paint to get the outlines. One critique I would give myself for the outlines is I wish the lines were a lot finer. I didn't have any brushes that were finer than what I had, so unfortunately they are a little bit thicker than what I'd like, but I am still happy with the look. I just think it could have been a little bit more refined. Now the rest of this look is mainly shading and obviously drawing out the lines of the cracks. The reference picture will be super helpful to understand where you're going to put the light and dark shades. The best way I thought about my face was seeing it on different levels, the darker pieces being at the back of my face, and then these lighter pieces, like that piece going through the middle that's lighter on my forehead now, that's obviously sitting in front of the darker pieces. So seeing my face in levels helped me make this look feel more realistic. Now onto lips. I'm creating 3 different levels of where my lips start and finish to keep on the theme of this distortion, kind of like my brow, how it's sort of sitting on 3 different levels. And then I'll go in and add my little pretend eyeballs. It's really hard to give tutorial advice on how to draw the eye. I think practicing on a piece of paper would be really helpful, and probably do that before you start working on your face, just so you don't make any mistakes. I personally have grown up drawing eyes. I just love eyes, so it kind of came naturally to me, and I really enjoyed doing this. I'll probably bring out another look soon with just, eyes all over my face or something. And to finalize this look, I just sat back from the camera to look at it from a distance so I could check where the last highlights needed to go. And I feel like it just really brings the whole look together, and really enjoyed putting the last few strokes on. Mainly because I knew it was nearly over. And then I realized, oh, I've still got to do my neck, so that sucked. But you look at it without the neck detail, and the neck just really brings it together as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about the techniques I used in my video today, please comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.